Are you tired of uploading video but yet you barely get views? Wondering how big YouTubers are just blowing up, getting massive views, growing day by day, yet you stuck. So now, in today's video, I'm going to break down the secrets of their rapid growth. If it is the type of video you love to watch, stay tuned and watch to the end. And please subscribe if you haven't done so, okay? So now, growth on YouTube is not a luck. It requires a lot of strategy. So now, I'm going to break down those strategies, the secrets of their rapid growth on YouTube gradually. Now, number one secret of their rapid growth is what? Niching down. See, I've been emphasizing about niching down on this channel. It is very important to niche down. You remember, immediately you niche down, the algorithm will know the type of audience that they will push your content to. Okay. But if you are in everywhere, if you are all weather, the algorithm will not know the type of people that need your your content. Okay, you are totally confusing the algorithm. Now, you have to niche down. Okay, find a particular topic, a particular niche that you want to be treating every time on your channel. If you want to be treating about tech, you focus on tech. If you want to be treating about vlog, you focus on vlog. If you are into YouTube growth tips, you focus on it. Thereby, you are making it clear to algorithm that this is the type of audience, this is the type of content you create, and the algorithm will help you to push your content to the audience that needed it. Okay, but if you are everywhere, you are totally confusing the algorithm, and thereby you're not going to grow because people didn't understand the type of content that you create. Did you understand? So niching down is very important in terms of YouTube growth. Okay, and if you niche down, you have to exercise patience. Do you understand? So that the algorithm will know your audience very well. Okay, you have to exercise patience while you niche down and stick to that your particular niche. Now, do you understand? Number two is the power of click-through rate. Now, if you want audience to click on your video and watch your video very well, you have to create a good thumbnail. Okay. Now, if you are creating your thumbnail, make sure that the text you place on your thumbnail is very bold. Okay. Make sure your text is very bold, because if people that are watching it in a large format like their computer or their television sees your thumbnail and realize that your thumbnail is very small, that is the title on your thumbnail, the write-up on your thumbnail is very small, they are not going to click. Do you understand? But if you make your thumbnail to be clear and bold, people will be able to see your thumbnail and do what? Click on it. But if it is small, they will not click, they will scroll out. Okay, now coming to your title, you have to use a very good title that will attract the audience. Do you understand? Now for instance, if you want to write your title like this, you are going to use a curiosity titles. You're going to use a curiosity words like, I did this to gain 1,000 subscribers. Do this to get your 4,000 watch hour faster. Do you understand? This type of title, people will be able to click because everybody want to monetize fast. Everyone want to get their 4,000 watch hours sharp without wasting of time. So when you use this type of title on your video, people will be able to click and watch your videos. Okay, so click-through rate. So click-through rate matters a lot on your video. Do you understand? And sometimes if you create your thumbnail and realize that people are not clicking on it, or if you create your title and realize that people are not clicking on it, you go straight and change it. Do you understand? Now, how are you going to know whether people are clicking on your video? No, or not. Now, this is how you're going to check it. If you go to your YouTube studio, immediately you upload your video, after some hours, go to your video. If you realize that you have low views, click on impression click-through rate there. Do you understand? Once you click on it, there is things that is going to brought out for you, whether people are clicking on it or not clicking on it. You go ahead and change either your title or your description or your thumbnail. Okay, So these are the secrets of faster growth on YouTube. Now let's go to number three secret. Now the secret number three is watch time and retention. Okay, remember, if people click on your video and watch longer, the algorithm will push your content to a wider audience. Do you understand? But if people click on your video and they didn't watch up to a seconds or 2 seconds, they will just click out. The algorithm is showing a bad signal to algorithm that this content is not okay, is not good, that people are not going to enjoy it, that there is not something important there. So the algorithm will drop it. Do you understand? So now, what are you going to do for the algorithm to be able to push your content to a wider audience that need it? Make sure your video is engaging. Use the first 15 seconds, 5 seconds of your video to do what, to hold your audience so that they will watch to the end, okay? But if you use that seconds of going straight to the point, to blab, to work, to say some unnecessary things, subscribe to your channel, you are welcome to my channel, this and that, they will click off. You understand? Nobody have time for unnecessary talk or listen to unnecessary topics. So once you want to create your video, just go straight to the point and deliver your message to your audience. Do you understand? Now, secret number four is consistent and strategic posting. Now, you have to be consistent. Okay, consistent is not all about posting daily or posting every minute, every second. Do you understand? You can just be posting once in a week, 2 times in a week, 3 times in a week. Do you understand? But you don't have to stay more longer before you upload your next video. Okay, so that the algorithm will understand the way you upload your video. Do you understand? So consistency is very, very important. Now you can use your analytics to find what is working for you and double down. Okay, so it is very, very important to be consistent. Okay. Now, secret number five is engage like a pro. Engage with your audience. Reply to their comments. Do you understand? Any type of comment that you know that you can't reply immediately, please and please just go straight and create a video for it, for that particular comment. Do you understand? Now, engage with your audience. Once you are engaging with your audience, YouTube will notice that, we see it, that there is a value in your video. Do you understand? But once you didn't engage with your audience, it will looks as if it's not a human. If you not engage with your audience, it looks as if it's not a human being that is creating the content, that is a robot. So engage with your audience, because you're not a robot, you are a human being. Number six is for you to leverage trends. Okay, make use of trends. If you are consistent without using trends, I don't think you are going to grow that faster. Okay, so once you are consistent, make use of trends. Any trends that come up, make sure you take advantage of it. Okay, now I will advise you that if you're making use of trends, make use of trends that is in your niche. Okay, now if you're making use of trends that is not in your niche, it will bring another different audience to your channel. Do you understand? For instance, now you are into fitness and you saw a trending gist, so you leave your cooking topic and the rest of them and divert to that trending gist. It will attract more views, more subscribers, but those your subscribers will not be watching your other videos. Do you understand? So that is why it's advisable to take advantage of trends in your niche. Do you understand? So that immediately you blow up, immediately you go viral, they will still come back and watch your previous videos. Do you understand? Now, for example, now in my vlog channel, I have a vlog channel where I upload vlogs, a day in my life and the rest of my lifestyle channel. So in that my channel there, I was doing my lifestyle channel. Then when I gave birth to my child, I started doing breastfeeding and the rest of them. Breastfeeding is another niche that is they have massive views immediately you upload it in your channel. So I did that video and I have two viral video from that breastfeeding content. Now, after I stopped breastfeeding my baby, they stopped watching my lifestyle videos. because of what I didn't upload breastfeeding content on my video. Do you see it now? So that is why it is very, very important to niche down. Do you understand? To have, that is to focus on your niche without following trends that is in another niche. Okay. So I would advise you take advantage of trends that is in your niche, not in other people's in another niche. Okay. Now these are the secrets of growing faster on YouTube. It is not a magic, it is about strategy and building momentum. Okay. Now pick one of these secrets that I mentioned today and apply it on your channel and see what will happen. Okay. Thanks so much for watching, and please, if you find it helpful, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't done so. I love you. Bye bye.